Building in Somalia, Somaliland, Ethiopia, Kenya, and Djibouti. Today is like cooking rice with no sauce. It fills your stomach, but your soul is crying. Everywhere you look, we are building homes, malls, hotels. But where's the wealth? Where are the factories? Where are the jobs for the youth? I'm Engineer Abdurrahim Muhammad, your friendly construction therapist. And today we're not just talking about buildings. We are talking about building wealth across the Horn of Africa. Because my friends, Somalia alone receives nearly $2 billion every year in remittance. That's quarter of the whole economy. Yet from Hargeisa to Djibouti city, from Addis Ababa to Nairobi, we're still importing everything from soap to sandals. We are the region of builders, but not yet manufacturers. That ends today. Part 1, the mindset shift from consumers to producers. We East Africans are professional buyers. New phone drops, Nairobi queues first. New shoe trend, Addis Ababa says, send 2 pairs. But when it's time to make things, everyone disappears faster than a Wi-Fi in Hargeisa during rainstorm. The whole continent received over 90 billion in diaspora money last year, more than all the foreign aid. But what do? We build houses using imported cement, imported tiles, and imported nails. Even in Somaliland, most blocks and tiles come in containers from abroad, while making machine costs only 1,000 to 3,000. We must stop worshipping consumption and start celebrating production. Real development is when we build factories that feed buildings. Our youth don't need yogurt, they need machines. Part 2, factories Africa needs now. A, construction materials. Every house, whether in Hargeisa, Mogadishu, Addis Ababa, Nairobi, or Djibouti, needs blocks, cement, paint, and steel. One small block factory producing 1,000 blocks daily can earn $300 to $500, enough to employ 5 to 10 people. Imagine if each city had just 10 youth-owned block factories. We'd have jobs, skills, and local wealth. B, agro-processing. In Somalia, we export raw camel milk. In Ethiopia, raw coffee. In Kenya, raw avocados. Why export raw when we can export ready to sell? A small dairy unit costs $30,000 to $50,000 to start. A coffee roasting and packaging setup costs $15,000 to $30,000. Somaliland grows sesame and dates. Djibouti imports most of its processing food. One small fruit drying or oil processing unit costs $20,000 to $40,000. Could change that for a whole community. C, textile and garment. Every Eid and every wedding, from Hargeisa to Nairobi, people wear clothes made in Turkey or in China. Yet our own tailors are chilling under mango trees, waiting for work. A small garment shop, $20,000 to $40,000 for 10 to 20 machines can employ 50 people. In Ethiopia, Hawassa Industry Park already employs 25,000 workers and aims for 60,000. We can do the same, but start small, start local, and start now. Part 3, turning waste into wealth. Now let's talk about garbage, our new gold mine. Plastic everywhere, bottles, bags, broken chair. From Djibouti city to Garowe, instead of complaining, let's cash in. A small plastic shredding unit costs $5,000 to $15,000. A recycling line around $100,000. And your raw material is free. In Rwanda, they turn plastic into roofing tiles with 500% profit. In Uganda, youth groups make furniture from bottles. Why can't Hargeisa, Nairobi, or Diridiba do the same? Instead of dumping waste, we can pay youth to collect it and turn pollution into payroll. Part 4, energy and tech. No factory survives without power. But in Horn of Africa, power literally falls from the sky. A solar panel assembly plant costs around $200,000 to $500,000. A small workshop's solar water heating line, $20,000 to $30,000. Battery assembly, $25,000 to $50,000. Kenya already assembles solar heaters. Egypt builds electric buses. Rwanda assembles smartphones. And yet, Somaliland and Djibouti, with some of the strongest sun on earth, import solar panels from abroad. My brother, we are paying for light while standing under free energy. Part 5, everyday industries. Some of the most powerful industries are the simple ones, the ones that touch daily life. Soap and detergent. Liquid soap setup, $10,000 to $15,000. Power detergent line, $25,000 to $40,000. Cooking oil and food. Oil pressing unit, $10,000 to $20,000. Bottling line, $15,000 to $30,000. Furniture and joinery workshop, $5,000 to $15,000. Modern furniture factory, $50,000 to $100,000. In Uganda, a youth group started a soap factory with $8,000. Today they employ 30 people and supply 3 districts. If every city in Somalia, Somaliland, Ethiopia, Kenya and Djibouti had 3 factories like that, that's thousands of jobs instantly. Part 6. Youth cooperatives and industry parks. Don't wait for the government. Create youth industry cooperatives. 10 friends times $1,000 each equals $10,000. That's enough for block factory, soap unit or sewing workshop. Then imagine an industry park in Hargeisa, Addis or Garissa. 5 group making building materials, 5 doing food processing, 5 making clothes, 5 recycling waste. That's 200 to 400 jobs right there. In Kenya, youth cooperatives in manufacturing already employs 15,000 people. Their formula: share tools, share risks, share profits. Part 7. Where will the money come from? The money is already here. Somalia and Somaliland alone get nearly $2 billion in diaspora remittance annually. If just 5% of that went into factories, that's $100 million. Enough for 500 to 1,000 small factories. Community investment model. $50,000 factory equals 100 people times $500 each. $100,000 factory equals 200 people times $500 each. Instead of sending $200 monthly for consumption, diaspora families in London, Minneapolis, or Dubai can invest $2,000 yearly and actually own something real back home. Part 8. How to start. Phase 1. 0 to 6 months. Identify youth groups in each city. Phase 2. 6 to 12 months. Pool funds and bring in diaspora partners. Phase 3. Year 2. Launch 5 pilot factories in 5 countries. Phase 4. Year 3 and 5. Expand to 50 countries region-wide. Targets. Year 1. 200 jobs. Year 3. 2,000 jobs. Year 5. 10,000 jobs and $50 million output. This isn't fantasy. This is focus. So my brothers and sisters in Somalia, Somaliland, Ethiopia, Kenya and Djibouti, building homes is good, but building industries is legacy. We already have the engineers, the sunlight, the ideas and the $2 billion remittance stream. Now we just need the courage to turn that into factories, jobs and pride. Don't just build malls for rent. Build machines for progress. Don't just buy made in China. Build made in Africa. Made right here in the Horn. I'm Engineer Abdurrahim Muhammad, and every week I break down how we can design, build and invest smarter in Africa's future. Hit subscribe and share this video with a dreamer from your city. And remember, the factories Africa forgot are the ones that we still have time to build. Start right here. Start with us.